In this module, we are going to focus on the UV mapping of the books that are in our scene. So before we go ahead and jump right into that, let's remember a little bit about how the UVs work. What are UVs and how do they work? So basically, UV mapping is the 2D planning of a 3D object. We're basically telling Max how we want our texture, which is a 2D image, to fall over our 3D object. So we plan this opening of the 3D object so that Max knows how the texture should go. So in this example of a box, we have this 2D planning that will help better place the texture, and so we will know how the texture is going to fall over the object. So when it comes to our book, this is what we have to do. The middle of the book, which is the pages, will be a different material, so that's not that important. What is important is that we plan the cover of the book, because that will be a single material. So we're going to use one texture for this cover of the book. You can find these textures online. You can Google book texture, but you can also create your own book textures as long as they follow this example here. If you have access to the project files, there will be a few book covers there, but I strongly encourage you to create your own textures so you can have a more personal work. Okay, so now that we've discussed this, let's go ahead and jump right into the UV mapping in our next clip.